Mm. This new birds have come to this land. See, they have cleaned this land and kept this land very clean, and they are pouring water, and Peru Goa trees are there. It's a country one, and all kind of trees are there. This center, they are living in this house, and see this a new type of bird. First time I'm seeing, and I've never seen this kind of bird. And they are just eating some food. First time I'm seeing this bird. If anybody knows the name of this bird, please tell the name. I don't know this bird's name. If anybody knows, please comment it. Very nicely it have come. Very first time I'm seeing this type of birds.